Yes, good afternoon to everyone and welcome to the Y Street Apple 2025. Dito tayo sa ikatlong part years na ginagawa natin, which is the Grand Raffle Recognition of Awards. This is the Sacrifice 2025 hatid sa inyo ng Wealthlink Incorporated. Once again, my name is Joseph. For the third time, hindi po ako si Sir Lloyd. And I'll be your host for today's exciting event. So, we are going to celebrate excellence, recognize loyalty, and of course, we're going to give away raffle prizes. So, wala kayo guys, sa ating mga viewers, please share this live stream. And I would like to also acknowledge all our live viewers na nasa likod ng aking camera. Palakpak naman kayo guys. Ayun. Please share this and also share the word and excitement by using the hashtag WISE3 trip to Singapore. Again guys, ulitin ko, WISE3 trip to Singapore. Isa lang po yan, hashtag WISE3 trip to Singapore. And you heard it right, ang ating grand raffle draw will be trip to Singapore. Grabe. Kung sino man po ang maswerteng mananalo ng trip to Singapore, naku po, this is really a good country to visit in terms of tourism, guys. Sobrang ganda nitong bansa na to. Nakapunta na ako. I'm one of the luckiest na nakapunta din dito sa Singapore. So, I really encourage you to go there. Marami kayong pwedeng mapuntahan at mabisita sa Singapore. So, are you ready to experience the wonders of Singapore? Let's kick things off with a quick look back at the highlights from our past WISE events. Video. So to everyone, to all of our viewers, nakita nyo naman yung mga past awardings na ginawa natin this year. So right now, we're gonna focus on this quarter and also the month of September awardings and raffles. Now, to all of our viewers, please comment kung medyo nahihinaan po kayo sa audio. We've tested it here. And syempre, iba naman talaga kapag napapanood nyo sa cellphones. No? So please, make it, ask us if kailangan pong lakasan yung volume. And to everyone also na gusto magpa-shoutout sa kung sino man na nanonood sa amin, sa aming live stream, sa ating live stream this afternoon, please, kung gusto nyo magpa-shoutout, sabihan nyo lang po ako. And syempre, merong mahiwagang kamay na magbibigay sa akin ng shoutout dito. Itago na lang natin siya sa pangalang Mika. Okay. So to everyone and to all of our raffle, how do I say this? Raffle draw na pasok. Pasok sa raffle. So this is again an instructional video on how are you going to access your e-raffle tickets. So advance congratulations to everyone again. Let us view and watch this instructional video for e-raffle access. Yes, once again, advance congratulations kung sino man ang mananalo sa ating trip to Singapore. I think it's going to be a few days worth trip to Singapore, and at the same time, aside dun sa mga mananalo, nag-iisang mananalo na trip to Singapore, meron din tayong mga mini raffle prizes winners. And this is a cash prize if I'm not mistaken, no? So, for those na mananalo, automatically mapupunta ang inyong panalo sa payroll account. So, congratulations in advance. And please access your tickets now because you might be our next big winner for today. So now, for our next part of our program, gawin muna natin bago tayo magpa-raffle, mag-announce muna tayo and let us recognize the top 10 leaderboard for the month of December. So, to everyone, let's watch, and these are top performers who will continue to raise the bar every day. Congratulations to our top leaderboard, Eliza Suson, John Del Castillo, John Lu Avellano, Marilyn Mexicana, Johnny Panganiban, Eileen Maisona, Christian Suday, Joe Marie Ramos, Julius Lucero, and Crystal May Ramos. Now, to everyone, aside from that top 10 leaderboard, syempre, what we're about to do next is to announce the Star Employee of the Month nominees. Now, let us meet the top nominees for our Star Employee of the Month of December. These are the people who've shown exceptional dedication and performance. Once again, congratulations to all of our Star Employee nominees. You really deserve that recognition, guys. But, syempre, alam naman natin, iisa lang ang maire-recognize natin as the Star Employee of the month of December. Pero galingan nyo pa rin, guys. I know, this is a yearly awarding and raffle. So, hindi man ngayon, maybe it's going to be your time next year. So, this Star Employee of the Month winner for the month of December will be awarded by our Head for Recruitment and Operations, Jean Carey Pineda, together with our President and COO, which is si Miss Tess Mondiging. So, let's see. Am I correct? Tama ba ako? Okay. Stand corrected. I'm really sorry, everyone. This will not be awarded by our president and also Ma'am Jean. But later on, makikita natin sila to award those employees who exceeded their exceptional work here at WealthLink Incorporated. So, stay put lang kayo, guys. And right now, the next part that we're about to view and watch are the top sales of the month nominees. And syempre, this is really the result of their dedication and drive into selling. Diba? Isa sa mga pinakamahirap tong ginagawa. So, here are top sales achievers of the month nominees. Congratulations to all of our nominees at syempre i-announce natin kung sino ang ating top sales of the month winner in a bit dahil nakikita nyo naman meron akong papel dito for shout out from Peter John Silawan from Donus. Shout out sa CBS Tagum Warehouse. Ayan, shout out po sa inyo. CBS Tagum Warehouse. And shout out din sa CBS Naval Biliran from Ray Legaspi. And from Neil, shout out kay Joy ng WealthLink. Yan, kung sino man si Neil, shout out daw kay Joy. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let us now announce the top sales of the month winner. And here it is. Congratulations kay Julius Lucero and thank you for setting such a great example. Together with Jean Carrie Pineda, our head for recruitment and operations, and also our president, Ms. Tess Mondiging, let us call on our top sale achiever for December, Julius Lucero! Woo-hoo! Congratulations! Yes, congratulations again. Yes, congratulations. So, syempre, let's have a short word from Julius. Ano bang, baka meron kong gustong i-shoutout, pasalamatan right now. Who are they?
Then, sa lahat, magandang hapon sa akin. Shoutout ko na ako sa inyo. Shoutout ko yung mga katrabaho sa Bitsem na City. Ayan, sa mga boss ko. Then, gusto ko magpasalamat kay WealthLink Kasi, ayun, ano naman nila ako. Na-recognize na naman nila ako. Many more.
Congratulations ulit kay Julius. Malapit lang ako sa Masinag. So, pupuntahan ko yung Abençons na. SM Masinag ba to? Tama ba ako? Ay, katabi. Ayun. So, alam ko na kung nasan ka, sir. So, pupuntahan kita doon. Bentahan mo ako ng may discount. Congratulations again for our first batch winners and for everyone else. Well, magtutuloy-tuloy tayo sa ating awarding later. Now, we are about to proceed with the next part of our program. Isa sa mga pinakahinihintay natin, pero hindi ba to yung tinatawag natin na main raffle draw, which is the trip to Singapore. We have a mini raffle draw, round 1. Okay, so it's raffle time, guys. 5 lucky winners will take home a special cash prize. And again, time and again, everyone, ang inyo pong cash prize ay automatically ma-credit sa inyong payroll account. So, nasa ng ating electronic tambiyolo for our first mini raffle draw winner? John Ace Laison, congratulations to you, our first winner. Estanislao Tizon Jr., congratulations. Malvin Apilado, congratulations! Jessel Alcantara, congratulations! Panglima, George Patrick Castillo. To all of our first batch winners, congratulations po sa inyo. You deserve it. At ang swerte nyo, ha? Ako, sobrang malas ko talaga sa raffle, guys. Ayan, meron akong time na naparaffle ako. Ako sana yung grand winner. Umalis ako. Umalis ako sa venue. Kaya na for free. So, to all of our raffle winners, first raffle winners, congratulations sa inyo. Once again, ang inyo pong cash prize ay mapupunta agad-agad. If I'm not mistaken, agad-agad to, no? Or on this week, okay. So, kailangan lang ayusin, no? Kailangan ma-secure natin na talagang sa account nyo siya mapupunta. So, this week, mailalagay po or ma-credit ang inyong cash prize sa inyong payroll account. Now, let's proceed to the next part of our program, which is shout out. Sige. Shout out to everyone from Fatima. Shout out sa Duncan Unizab? Unizab. Okay. Shout out Duncan Unizab. Next naman kay Rain Sarmiento. Congratulations kay Julius Lucero. Uy! Got it. Okay. Sino to? Lalaki ba to? Sorry. Yung? Sir Rain. Okay, Sir Rain pala to. Sorry. Mukha para kasing pambabae yung pangalan eh. Shout out kay Sir Rain watching from Daikin Abençon. Ito pala yung kasunod. From Daikin Abençon. Hello po. Shout out po sa inyo. Pengi pong discount. Next. Shout out kay Romer Laura Terrado. And shout out kay Miss Kate. Napakagandang HR. Oh! Iba din talaga. Ayan. Isipin na lang natin na wala si Kate dito. At hindi tayo binibidyo. Okay? So now, ladies and gentlemen, for our next part, sayang, hindi nyo nakikita yung mahiwagang kamay, guys. Bagong cutics. Okay. Star employee of the fourth quarter Noctis, guys. We're going to move on to this part. Siyempre, these are the individuals who have consistently gone above and beyond their job. Congratulations, guys. You are the star employee of the fourth quarter. Let's roll the video for the nominees. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the star employee for the fourth quarter is... Yes, together with Miss Jean and Miss Tess, tawagin na natin. Congratulations, Rose Lear Bachicha! Woo! Ayan, picture muna. Yes, and syempre, I'm gonna ask for a short message or maybe a shout out from kung sino man ang gusto mong i-shout out.
Good afternoon po muna sa ating lahat. Shout out po sa Well Team. Thank you po. Thank you kasi na-appreciate niyo po yung pagod and hirap namin sa sale. Pero thank you po kasi na-appreciate niyo po. And shout out po pag napanood ko ng asawa ko. Yeah, thank you po.
Yay! Congratulations again. O, diba? Meron siyang... Ay, oo nga pala, guys. I would just like to advise you that all of the awardees will be receiving a plaque or a certificate of appreciation or recognition, and at the same time, meron po silang cash. Ayun. Yung nakikita niyo pong sobre. Masarap maging, na-recognize ka na, meron ka pang cash. Diba? So now, let's move on to the top sales for fourth quarter nominees. Wow! Ito, isa sa mga sinasaluduhan ko ito kasi mahirap magbenta, guys, ha? And here are the nominees for the fourth quarter top sales achiever. Once again, to all of our fourth quarter nominees for top sales, ha, galingan nyo pa po. Alam naman natin na isa lang yung i-award natin dito, pero strive hard. I mean, you are striving harder. Congratulations to everyone, but still, we're gonna award it to the top sales achiever for the fourth quarter. Now, roll the video for the... Hakot Award, mga kaibigan. Tawagin ulit natin, Julius Lucero! Woo! Congratulations again, Julius. Sige, nakapag-speech man siya kanina, no? So, ladies and gentlemen, maraming salamat to all of our fourth quarter nominees. Pero mukhang talagang ginalingan eh. Ilang aircon ba ang binenta nito? Mukhang isang buong condominium ang nabentahan nito. Okay. Congratulations again kay Julius. And syempre, we're gonna have or proceed to the next part of our program. Ang pinakahihintay natin, another round 4 mini raffle draw. Another 5, I believe. Ilan ba ang 5? Another 5 ulit ang spin natin sa ating electronic tambiolo. Congratulations kagad sa inyo in advance. So, for our pang-anim na to, for sure. Okay, pang-anim na to. Okay. Ace Nation, congratulations! Valerio Junior Galua. For the third, or 8 pala. Ronnie Daitol or Daitol. Mahal Koheda. Sana all mahal. And for the last. Marvin Mirasol. Congratulations to the next 5 winners of our mini raffle. Anong susunod dito? May third pa ba? Agad na agad! Wow! Grabe ha. Grabe na talaga ito mga ginagawa natin dito ha. Grabe. Sobrang excited ako kung sino man yung mananalo. Meron pa ba tayong pa-shoutout dyan before we award the next awardees? Kasi ang susunod natin will be the perfect attendance of the year. Ibig sabihin, hindi po sila umabsent magmula January up to December. I believe so. So, congratulations sa inyo kung sino man kayo, guys. Meron ba tayong shoutout dyan before we proceed to this next awardee? Pakita mo naman yung guys, oh. Yee! Grabe yung cutics na yarn. Ayan. Shoutout po sa mga taga Blue Strom, si Jana Fel Bustillos. Ayan. Congratulations, Julius, from Miss Chloe. Yee! God gave me you. Charot. Si Miss Chloe ay, Julius, account supervisor. Si Julius ba ay single? Hindi na. O, wag nating asarin si Miss Chloe sa kanya. Magalit yung ano na to. Oo. Baka mamaya, baka mamaya next year hindi na siya pumunta pag siya yung top sales achiever. Okay? Ayan. Miss Chloe, shout out daw and congratulations kay Julius. Ang dami mong supporter ha, mga boss mo, tuwan-tuwa sa'yo. Bagay, kung ako yung boss mo, matutuwa talaga ako sa'yo sa dami ng binibenta mo. Congratulations again. Now guys, again, as I've mentioned earlier, we're going to award perfect attendance of the year. Ito yung kahit holiday, pumapasok sila. So, to everyone, consistency and dedication deserves recognition. So let's honor our Perfect Attendance Award of the Year. Leonardo Guevara Jr., congratulations. Roderick Mendiola, congratulations. Marvin Mirasol, congratulations. Larry Ruben, congratulations. Jeremiah Cruz, congratulations. Edmar Ricanor, congratulations. Robert Pineda, congratulations. Marcos Bautista, congratulations. Eric de la Cueva, congratulations. Omando Padilla, congratulations. Adrian Nakua, congratulations. Dennis Tahel, congratulations. Rod John Eledio, congratulations. Joseph Sarin, congratulations. Hillary Hong Kong, congratulations. Edwin Diano, congratulations. Joel Nicolas, congratulations. Jovito Jopista, congratulations. Peter John Donus, congratulations. Nelvin Peralta, congratulations. Ramil Kapampangan, congratulations. Raymond Idion, congratulations. Maria Hazel Sangkayan, congratulations. Crystal K. Atri, congratulations. Congratulations again to our perfect attendance awardee. And if I'm not mistaken, you're also going to receive a token of appreciation. Is it today? Wow! Today, makikredit ang inyong cash. Okay, cash gift, guys, sa inyong payroll account. Congratulations, guys. Continue your or making yourself perfect attendance. Ayan, grabe yun, ha? Nakakatuwa sila kasi hindi lang na-exceed nila yung expectation nila sa kanilang mga employer. So, nakakatuwang isipin na perfect attendance kayo. And syempre, tuloy-tuloy ang ating shout-out nanggagaling sa mahiwagang kamay. Yun, no? Meron ng sing-sing. Okay. Shout-out sa CBS Vegan Ilocos from Herbert Isaac. Shout-out sa pinaka-crush ko sa Wealth Link. Sino to? Si Chona! Ay! May nagkaka-crush sa iyo. From Patrick Boy. Ayan. Sino si Patrick Boy? Ayan. Nagkaka-crush. Shout out sa dance leader ng Wealth Link Christmas Party, si Lyle Apostol. Yun, oh. Yay! Ayan. And lastly, shout out kay Miss Jean Carey, ang Angel Locsin ng Wealth Link. Grabe naman talaga. Ang dami mga shout out for today, ha? For this afternoon. Ayan. Gusto ko makita si Miss Jean Carey, yung Angel Locsin ng Wealth Link, no? Mamaya, guys, makikita natin ng Angel Locsin ng Wealth Link. Grabe. Ang lalakas mang trip ng ating mga side, mga dito, mga live viewers. Ayan. Anyway, guys, dire-diretso po tayo, no? So, right now, we are about to announce the top sales achiever of the year. This is one of our biggest recognitions for this year as well. Siyempre, year-ender na to, guys. So, ang sarap lang sa pakiramdam na nanggagaling sa Wealth Link Incorporated kung sino man yung mga nasa top achiever ng kanilang mga employer. So, congratulations in advance. And to all of the nominees din, as we always say, continue on striving excellence dahil malay nyo kayo naman ang nandito nakatayo at magbibigay ng speech of encouragement to all of your co-employers as well from Wealth Link Incorporated. So, huwag nating patagalin to. Here is our top sales achiever for the year 2020.
Congratulations, Julius! You are the one of our top seller achiever in Abenson nationwide. Your hard work, dedication, and outstanding performance are truly stand out. Thank you for your exceptional contribution. Keep up the great work. Thank you.
Congratulations kay Julius Lucero. This is to be awarded by Miss Tess Mondiging and Angel Oxin. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Jean. Tawagin na natin, Julius Lucero. At syempre, tuloy-tuloy tayo. After the pictorial, hihinga natin ang speech of encouragement si Julius Lucero. Hindi lang tong quarter na to at year na to. Nanalo si or na-award to recognize si Julius. Kasi last few months ago, nandito din siya. What quarter yon? First ba or second? First, no? Okay, congratulations again. So, any speech of encouragement to all of our viewers, especially sa ating mga WealthLink Incorporated employees?
Thank you ulit dahil na-recognize ulit ako sa taon na to. Thank you Lord kasi sa lahat to. Kayo bibigyan ng lakas para kaya magtrabaho natin. And then, sa WealthLink, sa management ko, maraming salamat po. Ngayon lang ako nakakita na agency na grabe mag-appreciate sa mga empleyado. Ganyan, sa mga kapwa promoter, araw-araw lang natin kayo. Focus na tayo sa ginagawa natin. Aralin natin yung produkto natin. Kapag mahal mo yung ginagawa mo, the rest will follow. Lahat yun, magbubuong. Thank you lahat sa atin sa mga winners. Galingan pa natin.
Congratulations, Julius. Ito nga yung sinasabi natin. Kapag trabaho ang minahal mo, susundan ka nito, di ba? So, trabaho na lang ang mahalin nyo. Okay. Now, ladies and gentlemen, for our next part of our awarding, it's going to be the Service Excellence Award. So, this award celebrates loyalty and excellence, honoring those who've given years of service and commitment. So now, ladies and gentlemen, to all of our live stream viewers, here's our Service Excellence Awardee.
Marian, congratulations. Keep it up.
Darling, congratulations! Keep it up!
Hi, Marian. Congratulations. Keep it up.
Hi, Marian! Congratulations! Thank you for the hard work. Keep it up.
Once again, to be awarded by Ms. Tess and Ms. Jean, tawagin na natin dito sa harapan, Marian Angela Abestro! Woohoo! Will receive, grabe to trophy. And also, a token of appreciation. Congratulations! Ayan. Marian, since that you're in front of our live stream viewers, ano naman ang gusto mong sabihin sa kanila? A word of encouragement. And syempre, we'll allow you to shout out your friends and kung sino man ang gusto mong i-shout out this afternoon.
First of all, thank you po, WealthLink, sa pag-invite sa akin for this awarding. Thank you sa management ng Lucia Wemo. Thank you, Ma'am Haya, Ma'am Sai, Ma'am Tin, and Ma'am Erica. Sa lahat po ng mga katrabaho ko, mayroon tayong pang pizza luto. Thank you so much po.
Grabe. Ang galante naman ito. May pa-pizza. Ayan. Congratulations sa ating service awardee. Nawa tuloy-tuloy mo pa yan kasi ito yung binigay sa atin ng Panginoon, di ba? Magsilbi at magtrabaho ng mahusay. And actually, this is an extra recognition from WealthLink Incorporated na gusto naming sabihin from WealthLink na nararamdaman namin kayo and we really appreciate you doing your best on your job, syempre. Ang pinakamahalaga naman tayo may trabaho, di ba? At tayo din sumasahod ng maayos. Yan, at meron tayong ibibigay para sa pamilya natin. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna have another shout out before we continue with the next awarding. Ayan. Diba? Nagpo-focus pa, diba? Oh, pamain po. Okay. Diba? Okay. Now, shout out po kay HR Mark, yung may bagong motor, pero wala pang lisensya. Grabe kayo. From Chloe, aka Blue Boys. Okay. Shout out sa CBS Antique Branch. Shout out kay Arnel Estilong from Baby Lyle. Yee! Sino si Baby Lyle? Okay. Okay. Next. Kung alam mo lang, Lyle, kung paano paano minwestra ng isa sa mga nandito kung sino ka, matutuwa ka. Shout out sa muse ng Wealthlink, si Sofia Gorme. Yun, grabe. Sino si Sofia Gorme? Ay, oh, talaga? Ayun, hindi ko nakita eh. Okay, sige. Gusto nyo i-muestra ko kung anong sabi ng Hindi, biro lang. Ayan. Shout out po sa inyo, guys. And, syempre, continue shouting out sa ating comment. And syempre, share nyo rin po ito as much as possible. I want to keep you entertained, and sana continue on shouting out. Advance Merry Christmas pala in advance, ano, sa inyo po. Dahil gusto namin din na maging masaya din po ang inyong Pasko. Now, for the next part of our program, it's going to be the Customer Service Award. We know for the fact that customer service is one of the toughest job because this is a customer-facing job, di ba? And it is also a calling. I know for the fact, I've been in customer service over the past decade of my life. And ako naman po ay sa BPO. So, in terms of customer service, iba talaga. Exceptional. And we wanted to make sure na nararamdaman natin ng ating mga customers. So, let's honor the Customer Service Awardee of the Year.
Congrats, Berika, for being a good employee sa Webvision. Keep your performance good and always keep your maglalaki ang ulo. Congratulations again. Thank you sa lahat.
Congratulations, Jerica! Okay, congratulations sa'yo. And unfortunately, she was not able to make it dahil meron siyang kailangan gawin. But still, you will receive a trophy of appreciation. At the same time, ang iyon namang cash token will be credited today. Today din mismo sa iyong payroll account. Congratulations sa'yo. Now, dumako naman tayo sa Star Employee of the Year. This is the most prestigious recognition, Star Employee of the Year. The Star Employee of the Year really exceeded beyond our expectation. Kumbaga, siya ang pinaka-employee sa lahat ng employee. 'Di ba? Sa buong taon, siya talaga ang pinaka-recognizable na magaling. Sana all magaling. So, let us now award the Star Employee of the Year. Once again, congratulations, Rose Clear Bachicha! Woo! Grabe, pagka-star employee nito, nag-blazer pa para sa award nito. Ayan, congratulations again, Rose. And syempre, to give words of encouragement, and at the same time, kung meron ka pang gustong i-shout out sa iyong mga bossing ba, mga kaibigan mo sa iyong trabaho, this is now the time. So, Rose, here's the microphone.
again, thank you po ulit, Weltling, sa pag-appreciate po ng hirap, pagod, and sipag po namin. Lalo na po ako ngayong taon. So much appreciated po talaga. Parang gusto ko na umiyak. Yun. Yun. Thank you po ulit, Weltling. Thank you din sa brand po na hawak ko. Dyson, thank you so much po. Thank you kay Miss Scarlett. Thank you din po sa lahat ng tumutulong sa akin araw-araw. Yan, thank you din po para din po ito sa pamilya ko. And thank you kay Lord, baka ito na yung first batch ng success ko talaga. Sa susunod na ulit yung iba. Yan, thank you po. Thank you po, Weltling. Thank you po, Ma'am.
Grabe. Sumakses na talaga si Rose. Congratulations. So, sa lahat ng ating mga awardees for this afternoon and this year, this quarter and this month as well, as I have mentioned, Weltling Incorporated really appreciates you. And to all the nominees, alam ko if you will strive more sa inyong mga ginagawa, sa inyong trabaho, for sure, kayo naman ang nandito at pagbibigay ng speech at pagpapa-shoutout. Magsha-shoutout din sa mga kaibigan nyo, di ba? Nakakatuwa kayang isipin, di ba, na makikita na kayo ng mga katrabaho nyo dito at sobrang proud sa inyo. At yung iba pa, nagpapa-shoutout pa sa ating mga live stream, ano? So, congratulations again in advance. For sure, kayo naman ang nandito sa harapan na tina-awardan ni Miss Jean at ni Miss Tess. Now, ladies and gentlemen, for our next part of our program, this is a video presentation of the Christmas giveaway token sa ating mga employees ng Weltling. So as our way of saying thank you, here is a little something from us. This is spreading holiday magic this Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Weltling family! Merry Christmas, Weltling! Merry Christmas, Weltling family!
Merry Christmas, Weltling!
Merry Christmas, Weltling.
Merry Christmas, Weltling family!
Thank you, Weltling. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Weltling family! Thank you, Weltling. Happy holidays! Merry Christmas, Weltling family!
Merry Christmas, Weltling family!
Happy holidays, Weltling.
Holidays, Weltling family!
Holidays, Weltling family. Holidays, Weltling family. Thank you, Weltling. Happy holidays.
Merry Christmas, Weltling family from Team Dunkin Petroleum. Merry Christmas, Weltling family.
Iba talaga ang saya kapag kapasko. So, congratulations again to everyone. And we've made it to 2025, di ba? Ang bilis lang. And actually, if you would think about it, after 3 weeks, New Year naman, di ba? So, spend your time, aside from working hard, syempre spend your time with your family at mag-enjoy. Sa simpleng paraan, ng Weltling Incorporated, and to appreciate all of our employees under Weltling Incorporated. Sana po nagustuhan niyo po ang aming token of appreciation for you. So congratulations and thank you very much also for exceeding beyond our expectation in terms of being an employee of Weltling Incorporated. Now, before we proceed to actually, we're almost done and i-announce na natin ang grand winner later. Shoutout muna tayo. Parang ito na yata ang one last shoutout pero baka may gusto pang dumagdag ng shoutout sa inyo guys. shout out sa recruitment team ng WealthLink. Mag-endorse na kayo 5 p.m. na from HR Naro. Okay. Shout out daw po sa LTO from HR Mark. Grabe. Pati LTO, binimension na dito. Shout out kay Kurt Reyes. And shout out kay David R. Saul. Merry Christmas din sa'yo. Parang personal na tong shout out na to. Okay. Okay. Shout out din kay David R. Saul. Merry Christmas din sa'yo. Nag-Merry Christmas ka pala dyan. Merry Christmas to everyone. And I know, even though na hindi kayo nominee or hindi kayo nailagay dyan sa ating leaderboard, I know that you're very happy din sa kung ano man yung katayuan nyo, di ba? Yun naman ang diwa ng Pasko, pagbibigayan at kasiyahan, guys. So, as always, kung nakaka-receive tayo ng blessing, be the blessing to others as well. So, sa mga nag-shoutout, guys, thank you so much. Sobrang saya namin dito. Nakakatuwa po yung mga sinashoutout nyo. And syempre, tuloy-tuloy tayo. Hindi lang dito to natatapos, guys, ha? Yung taon lang ng 2025 ang matatapos. Pero next year, magkakaroon pa tayo ng mga ganito ding mga okasyon, di ba? We'll be still inviting you, getting some nominees, awarding people who deserve their award, and also magpaparaffle din tayo. Now, eto na ang pinakahihintay natin. Sana po, ilagay niyo po yung hashtag #Y3 Trip to Singapore na hashtag natin for this afternoon. At i-share niyo po ito dahil baka katrabaho nyo na ang mananalo dito sa Grand Raffle Draw. This is the really moment that we've been all waiting for. The Wise Grand Raffle Draw, guys. Eto na nga. Bago yon. Ano kaya ang gagawin namin next year? At ano kaya ang ipaparaffle namin next year? Try to comment down below, guys, kung anong gusto nyong iparaffle. Gusto nyo ba yung employment ng mga tao dito? Paraffle. Joke lang. And syempre, baka meron kayong mga idea ng gustong iparaffle din. Tingnan nga natin. Tignan ko nga kung anong mga i-comment nila. Malay natin, di ba, mapagbigyan ang inyong mga hinihiling na gustong iparaffle. Teka, WealthLink Incorporated. Live stream. Okay, dito tayo sa live stream. See live video. Ayan. Shout out from CBS Ormoc City. Wow, ang dami Shout out from Taytay Rizal. CBS Taytay Calbayog, APD from 139. Ayan. Motor. Sabi ni John Peter Silawan Donyus. Motor. Pwede din, no? Pwede tayong trip to Eastwood. Grabe, napakalayo nito, From RG Mondehar. Grabe ka, RG. Sino kaya to? Airplane. ADV na Honda. Wow. Grabe, May brand, Malay natin, kausapin natin ang Honda. Ayaw nyo ba ng Daikin para mas madali? Or Julius. Okay. Hughes and Lot. Ano po yung Hughes and Lot? Okay. Trip to Encantadia. Trip for two, sabi ni Janabel. Bustillos. Ayan. And syempre, huwag kayong mag-alala, guys. I-screenshot po namin to at isi-send sa inyong mga supervisors. Joke lang. 1 year supply daw po ng skincare, sabi ni Chloe ng WealthLink. Wow. Trip to Australia. Uy, oo nga, no? Makakita man lang ng kangaroo. Okay. Shout out CBS Zamboanga City. 1 year supply ng Dunkin Donut. Bebenta ka? Ayan. NMAX po na navy blue. Sabi ni Kat ng HR. May kulay pa, Baka mamaya meron pang Anong tawag doon? Meron pang request na Ay, hindi. Wala palang restriction yung motor pagdating sa araw. Walang number coding, no? Si Lyle ng WealthLink, sabi, siya daw yung price. Wow! Ang laki mong price, Lyle! Ayan, napaka-huggable na price. Trip to Montalban, Wawa Dam. Wow, Channel International Chef. Okay. Kaano ko ba to? Anong tawag dito? Kapangalan ko pa. Okay. Paraffol si Chona. Ay, si Chona daw magpaparaffol. Chona! Ayan. Bilang single ka? Ay. Ano daw? Ayan. Nako, si Chona daw po ang grand prize natin. Hindi na daw trip to Singapore. Sakto po, dahil meron po siyang acquired skill. Marunong na po siyang mag-Zumba, mga kaibigan. Ayan. Weekly po siyang nag-walk at nag-everyday gym din. Ayan. Yan po ang inyong... Okay. JV Doronio, shout out, sir. Shout out sa supervisor ng Sercom, Albert Vallaspin, Joanna Salanguste. Virac Branch, shout out po. Ayan. Daming nanonood. Maraming salamat po. So, feeling ko, this is now the time for... Uy, may Japanese na nanonood. Shoutout sa APD San Jose, Occidental Mindoro. Ang dami nag-shoutout. Ace, Zumba Buddies, sabi ni Kat HR. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I think this is now the time after this entertainment and comedy na ginagawa natin. And Angelo Kiawan Piña Fial, paraffol si Sir Live. Opo, gusto niya na pong iparaffle ang sarili niya, guys. Congratulations to Edwin Diano as Perfect Attendance Award, sabi ni Ray Legaspi. Yan. So, I think this is now the time na iparaffle na natin. Sino kaya ang mananalo? But before that, bago natin i-cue ang ating electronic raffle tambiolo, ang gagawin naman natin ay panonoorin po natin ang grand prize feature video. Siyempre, gusto kong makita nyo, ma-imagine nyo na nandun kayo sa Singapore. Diba? Wise 3 pero Singapore. Daddy joke. Masyadong tito joke. Okay. Anyway, iparaffle na natin. No. Let's watch the video first for our trip to Singapore.
Celebrate excellence with WealthLink's incentive for star employees, the Wise Grand Raffle Prize. A 4 days, 3 nights tour of Singapore. Day 1 begins with a half-day city tour, starting at Suntec City, home to the Fountain of Wealth, a symbol of prosperity. Next, visit Merlion Park, where Singapore's legendary half-lion, half-fish statue stands proudly by the bay. Take in breathtaking views of the city from the Singapore Flyer, one of the world's tallest observation wheels. Explore the vibrant streets of Chinatown and marvel at the Buddha Tooth Relic Temple, a cultural and spiritual landmark. End the day with shopping at Sovereign Shopping Center, where modern retail meets local charm. Day 2 is all about thrills and fun at Universal Studios Singapore. Step into a world of blockbuster movies, exciting rides, and unforgettable shows. On Day 3, enjoy a full-day tour of Sentosa Island, beginning with the scenic cable car ride, offering panoramic views. Discover Sentosa's world-class attractions, from sandy beaches to exciting entertainment, making it the ultimate island getaway. On the final day, enjoy free time to shop for souvenirs and explore Singapore's famous shopping hubs. Then fly back to Manila with unforgettable memories of Singapore's culture, adventure, and charm. The Wise Singapore Tour Package. 4 days, 3 nights of discovery, excitement, and reward. WealthLink's incentive for star employees.
And once again, that is our grand raffle prize. Trip to Singapore. Napuntahan ko na almost yung ibang mga part ng Singapore, guys. At nakakatuwa. Ang ganda. Sobrang ganda. Sobrang linis. Ayan. At syempre, talagang makikita nyo talaga ang kagandahan ng Singapore. Ayan. I was there 2024. Ayan, di ba? So, I know you will enjoy this. Kaya kung ako sa inyo, kung sino man ang raffle draw winner natin, i-ready mo na. I-ready mo na ang iyong passport. Together, this is trip for 2, di ba? For 2. Ayan. Kung may jowa ka, isama mo yung jowa mo. kung may nililigawan ka, pasagutin mo muna bago mo isama. At syempre, kung wala naman, sama mo yung parents mo. Tapos, yun. Either si mama mo o si papa mo, di ba? O kaya kapatid mo. Go ahead. Let's go ahead. Feeling ko, ito na, no? Ay, nakaka-excite. Sino kaya ang mananalo? Ladies and gentlemen, eto na po. Ipe-play na namin kung sino ang nanalo. Ah! 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 Raymart Santiago! Grabe, artista ka na! Nanalo ka pa! Raymart Santiago! Grabe! Congratulations to our grand raffle winner! Trip to Singapore for 2! One-way ticket! Charot! Okay, syempre two-way yan. Ayan, mag-i-enjoy ka lang todo-todo. Ayan. By the way, guys, to everyone and to our winner, especially you, Sir Raymart Santiago, this is non-convertible to cash. Okay? You have to plan out. You have to coordinate with your supervisor and WealthLink Incorporated para naman ma-assist ka. And at the same time, ito pa ang kailangan mo malaman. If you need assistance, help for the passport, please approach us para po matulungan ka namin kung kailangan mo ng tulong for this trip to Singapore. Ayan. Kami ang bahala sa iyong employer, syempre. Ipagpapaalam ka namin ng maayos para naman ma-enjoy mo ang iyong trip to Singapore. And at the same time, meron din tong, aside from trip to Singapore, meron din siyang pocket money, no? Okay, may pocket money ka din na suspend mo doon. Naku, ang sasarap ng mga pagkain doon. Especially sa hawker, sa hawker center. Ayan, ang sarap. Tsaka malalasahan mo talaga yung mga mga authentic nila na mga pagkain sa Singapore din. More on a Chinese part, pero sobrang saya. Ayan, ma-explore mo talaga ng todo-todo tong trip to Singapore. Ayan, congratulations again. And before we even wrap up, this is the sneak peek of what's coming next. Wise 4 na! Woohoo! Grabe, nakakatuwa. This is the Wise 4 teaser video. Roll it. Yan! Once again, isa sa mga pinaka hinihintay natin yun, yung Wise 4. Teaser lang yun, guys, ha. I-announce namin, syempre, sa first quarter ulit. Or, may mga current announcement tayo sa ating Facebook page kung ano po ba yun, yung susunod natin na mga ipaparaffle for Wise 4. Ha? Year 4 na, guys. Nakakatuwa. Itutuloy-tuloy namin to, syempre, dahil this is our way to thank all of our hardworking employees, all of the employees of WealthLink Incorporated. Once again, thank you so much for joining us today. Pero stay put, guys, because we will be having some sort of, syempre, before we end this live stream event, let me call the President and COO of WealthLink Incorporated, Ms. Marites Mondigin!
Program has been a celebration of dedication and spirit of excellence that defines our organization. I would like to extend my sincere gratitude to everyone who participated in this event. Your enthusiasm and support are what make the WISE program a success. To our employees, thank you for the hard work and commitment. It is your continued pursuit of excellence that propels To our valued clients, we are deeply grateful for your trust and partnership. We are honored to have you as partners, and we remain steadfast in our commitment to delivering the highest quality service as we move forward together. Congratulations to all our winners and awardees for this year's WISE 3 program. Your achievements inspires us all, and we celebrate your success. We recognize your contributions and look forward to witnessing your continued growth and accomplishments. Looking ahead for next year, I am thrilled to announce the WISE 4 program to be even more spectacular, featuring exciting prizes and new opportunities in 2026 to celebrate your journey and milestone together. Let us continue to strive for excellence and support one another as we move forward. Wishing you all a wonderful day, filled with continued success and happiness. May the holiday season bring you joy and peace. Happy holidays. Thank you.
Woo! That's about it, everyone. Maraming salamat to all of our hardworking employees. On behalf of WealthLink Incorporated, may I say thank you. Thank you very much from the bottom of our heart. Maraming salamat po. And let's continue to keep on working hard for our job. Ito yung, sabi nga natin, di ba? Ito yung matagal nating ipinanalangin sa Diyos. So, let's continue doing our job. Let's be excellent of what we do. And syempre, with the blessing of our Lord, malay nyo, kayo naman ang makikita namin dito sa ating live stream. Congratulations again. This has been your host, Joseph the host. Merry Christmas in advance. And this is the wrap-up of the Grand Raffle Draw and recognition of awards this year of 2025 of WealthLink Incorporated, WISE 3, and syempre, next year, WISE 4 na. Grabe. Nakakatuwa. Maraming salamat po ulit sa inyo. And have a good day ahead. Happy Friday, everyone!